Good morning, Keller Williams, MAPS coaching clients, and welcome to today's quick tip. So for those of you that have been running Facebook ads through KW Command, I know many of you are aware that the true essence of converting those leads comes from the follow-up, right? The speed to lead and how quickly can you begin following up with those leads via phone call, email, or text message. I've got some exciting news today with a KW Command new product release. Really, it's a product enhancement to those exact Facebook campaigns, and that's the ability to automate a smart plan firing as soon as those leads come in. So I want to show you exactly how to get that set up so you can start putting your Facebook leads on automated smart plans without having to be inside of Command. So I'm going to share my screen. We're going to dive into KW Command, and I'm going to show you how that's done. So inside of your Facebook campaign, you've got the campaign started. You're going to scroll down to lead settings. This is a new box inside of your Command campaign configuration screen, and we're going to click on configure. You can now see that not only can I assign these new leads to a smart plan, I can also assign tags. So leaders, if you're running recruit-based campaigns, you could automatically assign tags based upon maybe who you're recruiting to or for, or the date, or anything along those lines. You can also put on your smart plans that are recruit-based follow-up. Agents, if you're looking to reach out and you have a specific property maybe that you're advertising or a specific neighborhood, you could tag those leads with Facebook lead and then that specific address or specific neighborhood for additional follow-up later on, and then create a smart plan that is based specifically for that campaign, that specific listing, that specific new home buyer program, whatever it may be that you're advertising to get leads. And as soon as now the leads come in, the smart plan would immediately fire, and the emails and text messages that were incorporated inside of those smart plans would start going out. So that's it for today's quick tip. Basically, your ability to set up your campaigns with auto firing smart plans. So you no longer have to worry about sitting in front of your desktop or your laptop or your cell phone, waiting on those leads to come in so you can automate their follow-up. Now, of course, we're going to want to call those leads as quickly as possible, but you can let KW Command handle the emails and text messages through custom smart plans that you've created. As always, guys, a pleasure speaking with you, and we'll talk to you soon.